Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Mac OS and iCloud so sync works reliably. Once ready, open Calendar using the dock or CMD plus space and type Calendar. Make sure calendars are toggled on in System Settings Apple ID iCloud so events sync across devices. Next, check Default Calendar and Alert Settings in Calendar Settings. These determine where new events land and how reminders appear. Doing this first prevents duplicate calendars and missed notifications. So take a moment to choose Defaults. Create an event by clicking a date or hitting CMD+N. Then type the title and press Return to autofill. Expand details to add time ranges, location that suggests maps, invitees for email invites, alerts for reminders, and notes for context. Use drag to resize events and hold Option to duplicate quickly. Once done, color code by calendar to separate work and personal entries, and switch between day, week, and month to spot conflicts. These steps ensure events are informative, visible, and easy to manage. Finish by sharing or subscribing. Right-click a calendar to invite collaborators or subscribe to public calendars for schedules. To integrate non-Apple accounts, add Google or Exchange under System Settings Internet accounts and enable calendars. If events fail to appear, make sure iCloud Sync is active, then try forcing a refresh by quitting Calendar and reopening. If needed, rebuild by removing calendar cache or toggling calendars off then on in iCloud. One key troubleshooting tip: check internet connectivity and account passwords before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.